Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Okay, so before we start this video, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Rahmatillah and my partner is...
Hi, I'm Ratu Nurjana and we are from Group 9.
So in our video this time, we will present the answer from our work on the topic of environment, the part of listening to. Let's check it. Preparing to listening. 1. Read the information about wind power. Many people think wind power has many benefits. It provides an environmentally friendly form of energy which does not pollute the environment. Also, unlike coal mines or nuclear power plants, they are unlikely to cause accidents and never lead to disasters. Therefore, there is a very low risk of danger. Most importantly, this source of energy is affordable. However, opponents of wind power argue that the wind turbines can have a negative effect on the environment. They say that a turbine takes up a lot of space. Another point is that the wind turbines are not a long-term source of energy, unlike nuclear power plants. 2. Match the definition below to the words involved in exercise. 1. Advantage is benefits. 2. The possibility of something bad happening is risk. 3. To supply something to someone is providence. 4. Continuing for a long time is long term. 5. A terrible accident that causes a lot of damage is disaster. 6. Good for the environment is environmentally friendly. 7. Where something comes from is source. 8. Not expensive is affordable. 9. Someone who disagrees with an idea is opponents. 10. To make something like air or water dirty or harmful is pollute. 3. You are going to listen to a debate about the advantages and disadvantages of using nuclear energy. Before you listen, list ideas in the table below. Advantages: 1. Cheaper than fossil fuels. 2. Generates a large amount of electrical energy. 3. No greenhouse effect and aside rain. Disadvantages: 1. Nuclear disaster. 2. Very persistent waste. 3. Uranium mining is harmful to the environment.
Preparing to listening. Number 4. Listen to the discussion and compare your ideas. My answer is, I think nuclear power plants are too risky. Maybe you can use other ways, such as using wind power to generate electricity. This wind power plant is an environmentally friendly energy source, where its use does not result in emission from exhaust gases or heavy pollution to the environment. However, wind power sources require relatively expensive construction and maintenance costs, and also the right location with the amount of wind power and the technology used is very large. While listening. Number 5. Listen again and answer the question below. Number 1. What are the reasons why one speaker mentioned the Fukushima nuclear power plant? My answer is A. To say that nuclear power plants can be dangerous, and C. To give an example of the long-term effects of a nuclear disaster. Number 2. What 3 arguments are mentioned in favor of nuclear energy? My answer is B. It doesn't pollute the air. And D. It can supply a lot of electricity over a long time. Number 3. Nuclear energy can help developing countries in which ways? My answer is A. They can export the energy. And D. They can be independent of gas and oil prices. Pause listening. Number 6. Read extract 1 to 3 from the discussion. In each extract, what is the speaker arguing against? Number 1. Some people are worried that nuclear power is a big risk. Despite that, there are hundreds of nuclear power plants all over the world, and there have only been 3 nuclear accidents in the last 30 years. My answer: the argument against is nuclear power is a big risk. Number 2. Some people say that nuclear energy does not pollute the air, but that's not completely true. It takes many years to build a nuclear power plant. During this time, hundreds of machines work day and night and pollute the air in the area. My answer: the argument against is a nuclear energy does not pollute the air. Number 3. Some people think that solar or wind energy are greener than nuclear energy. However, I don't think that's completely accurate. Wind turbines are not exactly friendly for birds, not to mention that solar panels and wind turbines take up a lot of space. My answer: the argument against is solar or wind energy are greener than nuclear energy.